Sump pumps are a critical line of defense against basement flooding and standing water, protecting homes from water damage, mold, and costly remediation. When choosing a sump pump, buyers must balance flow rate, GPH, head height, lifting capability, durability, and reliability under sustained duty.
List number 1. Sump pump. The Tenzola DSP-04C-2 delivers a compact, budget-oriented 1/3 HP submersible with a stated 2400 GPH maximum and a lift height of up to 30 feet. It uses thermoplastic construction and features a bottom-side inlet designed to minimize debris suction, plus a metal filter to block larger impurities. Its 1-inch discharge and versatile adapter options, 3/4 inch GHT, 1 1/4 inch NPT, 1 1/2 inch barbed, make it easy to connect to common hoses and fittings, enhancing its usability for pool draining, basements, and garden tasks. The PWM-like auto shutdown when water drops below 1/5 inch adds a simple automatic operation mode, while a 1-month warranty offers baseline after-sales support. Pros include strong flow for the price, thoughtful debris protection, versatile discharge options, portability, and a 16.4-foot cord that reduces extension needs. Cons include thermoplastic construction, which typically offers less durability than cast iron or stainless steel in harsh environments, potential heat buildup under heavy continuous duty, and a relatively modest 1/3 HP rating, which may struggle in high-volume, long-duration tasks compared to higher HP models.
List number 2. Aquapool Cover Pump 1/4 HP Automatic Swimming Pool Cover Pump. The Aquapool Cover Pump is a 1/4 HP automatic on-off unit rated up to 2250 GPH with bottom suction and a 21.5-foot maximum lift. It ships with a 25-foot power cord, a 1 1/4 NPT discharge, and a 3/4 inch garden hose adapter with a check valve, making it a flexible option for pools, pool covers, rooftops, and other water removal tasks. The strainer base simplifies cleaning and protects the pool cover from debris. It includes built-in temperature control to guard against dry run damage and motor overheating, which adds reliability in variable moisture conditions. Pros spotlight strong automatic control, good overall flow for its size, and built-in protective features. Cons include a lower HP rating than some competitors, which can limit duty cycle performance on very large or prolonged pumping tasks, and plastic construction that may be less robust under heavy use. In practice, the automatic switch engages around 2 inches of water and continues a brief post-drain run to ensure a near-dry cover, which reduces rewatering risk when using outdoor pool covers. The 2250 GPH rate, while high for a 1/4 HP unit, will also depend on head height and discharge configuration. With 21.5 feet of lift capability.
List number 3. Wayne 58321-WYN3CDU980E 3/4 HP submersible cast iron. The Wayne CDU980E is a premium 3/4 HP submersible pump featuring a stainless steel motor housing and cast iron volute, aimed at demanding basement applications. It offers integrated vertical float switch, up to 5,490 GPH flow, and a top suction design to minimize airlocks and clogging by drawing water from the pit surface rather than the bottom. The unit is assembled in the USA with a 5-year warranty, signaling long-term reliability and support for heavy-duty use in indoor environments. Pros emphasize robust materials, high flow rate, and a long warranty. Cons include a higher price point and potential overkill for small, occasional drainage tasks, along with a relatively tall footprint that may affect pit fitment in compact installations. Performance-wise, the CDU980E delivers strong capability with a 32 feet maximum lift and 92 GPM, approximately 5,520 GPH at moderate head scenarios, making it well-suited for large basements or frequent flood-prone areas. The top suction design helps reduce airlocking and minimizes debris-induced clogging, while the included 1 1/2 inch discharge complies with common plumbing codes for higher flow paths. The stainless steel/motor housing combination promises corrosion resistance and thermal stability, which is beneficial for continuous duty.
List number 4. Wayne CDU 790, 1/3 HP submersible cast iron. The Wayne CDU 790 is a 1/3 HP submersible pump with a cast iron volute and stainless steel fasteners, delivering up to 4,600 GPH. It uses a top suction design and integrated vertical float switch with a 1 1/2 inch discharge and a 3-year warranty. The unit is positioned as a robust mid-size option within Wayne's lineup, suitable for typical basement pits and medium-duty pumping tasks. Pros emphasize built-in reliability features, solid material construction, and a proven track record in Wayne's catalog. Cons include a lower head height relative to higher HP options and a shorter warranty window than the CDU 980E. Performance-wise, the CDU 790 delivers a respectable 63 GPM, or approximately 3,780 GPH, at moderate head, with a maximum lift height of around 10 feet, which is adequate for most basement pits, but may require multiple pumps or staged pumping for deeper installations. The top suction design helps prevent airlock and reduces the likelihood of clogging by surface debris. The cast iron or epoxy-coated housing provides durability in damp environments. While not as premium as the CDU 980E, the CDU 790 provides a balance of cost, reliability.
List number 5. Superior Pump 91250, 1800 GPH thermoplastic submersible utility pump with 10-foot cord. The Superior Pump 91250 is a compact 1/4 HP unit rated at 1800 GPH with a 25-foot maximum lift, featuring thermoplastic construction and a 10-foot cord. It uses a 1 1/4 inch discharge with a 3/4 inch garden hose adapter and includes a removable suction screen to handle up to 1/8 inch solids. This model is a budget-friendly, lightweight option with strong brand reliability, given Superior Pump's reputation for durable, factory-tested tools. Pros highlight very approachable price, solid basic pumping performance, and ease of maintenance. Cons include a lower flow rate and shorter cord than some competitors, and thermoplastic construction that may limit durability under heavy, long-term use. In practice, the 1800 GPH capacity is adequate for smaller basins, window wells, or light basement dampness, particularly when the discharge path is short and heads are low. The removable screen helps keep debris out of the impeller, and the 1/4 HP rating should suffice for many home tasks without the complexities of higher-end pumps. However, the combination of thermoplastic body and modest lift height means it's best suited for light to moderate, short-duration pumping rather than continuous high-volume flood scenarios. The 10-foot cord may require an extension in larger setups.